Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, once famously quipped, "Our favorite holding period is forever." True to his word, one of the oldest stocks in Buffett's portfolio is Coca-Cola, which he first purchased in 1988 for a mere $2.45 per share. That investment, which he continues to hold today, is now worth a staggering $62.55 per share, a whopping 2,453% gain. In terms of dollars, Buffett's initial $1 billion investment has blossomed into a colossal $24.5 billion. While such returns are undoubtedly impressive, they did require a significant time commitment. But what if you could almost double your investment in just 1 year? It might sound too good to be true, but that's the beauty of Fidelity Index funds. Some have consistently outperformed the S&P 500, offering the potential for exponential growth in a relatively short span. Do watch till the end if you don't want to miss out on any of these funds. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Before delving into the top 6 Fidelity Index funds, let's first understand what these investment vehicles are, how they work, and why they matter. Fidelity Index funds are investment funds that aim to match the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They achieve this by pooling money from numerous investors to buy a diverse set of stocks or bonds that align with the chosen index. This simple strategy offers broad market exposure without active management, making it an attractive option for investors seeking a cost-effective and straightforward approach to long-term growth. After all, most people aren't as skilled at picking individual stocks, so why not let an index fund do the heavy lifting by investing in a diverse basket of securities? With over 7,000 mutual funds to choose from in the United States, getting started as an investor can be overwhelming. However, focusing on reputable fund families like Fidelity and their index funds can serve as the building blocks of a solid starter portfolio. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 6 Fidelity Index funds, arranged from modest to highest year-to-date returns. Kicking off our list is the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, known as the golden standard for index funds. With a year-to-date return of 11.29%, this fund has set the bar high. If Tom had invested $10,000 at the start of this year, his investment would be worth $11,129 by the end. A tidy $1,129 value increase in just 1 year. Imagine the potential gains with larger investments. A $50,000 investment could yield a $5,645 profit, while a $100,000 investment could result in a $11,290 windfall. FXAIX primarily invests in U.S. stocks, with a focus on sectors like technology, finance, and retail trade. But what truly sets this fund apart is its cost-effectiveness and accessibility. With a low expense ratio of just 0.015% and availability in many 401k plans, FXAIX is a popular choice for retirement savings given its 10-year average return of 12.68%. Next up is the Fidelity Nasdaq Composite Index Fund, FNCMX, which has shown a remarkable year-to-date return of 11.8%. If Tom had invested $10,000 at the start of the year, his investment would now be worth $11,180. While a $100,000 investment could result in a staggering $11,800 windfall, a whopping $1,180 profit in a single year. Imagine the potential gains with larger investments. A $50,000 investment could yield a $5,900 profit, while a $100,000 investment could result in a staggering $11,800 windfall. Continuing our journey, we find the Fidelity Select Technology Portfolio, FSPTX, which has been on fire this year with an impressive year-to-date return of 15.78%. This fund offers a broader scope than some tech funds, encompassing industries like semiconductors, hardware, and fintech, all poised to benefit from technological advancements. Based on its year-to-date return, a $10,000 investment at the start of the year would now be worth $11,578, a staggering $1,578 profit in just 1 year. Imagine the potential gains with larger investments. A $50,000 investment could yield a $7,890 profit, while a $100,000 investment could result in an eye-watering $15,780 windfall. FSPTX's top holdings include household names like Microsoft, 18.22%, Nvidia, 15.72%, and Apple, 12.35%, all known for their strong financial positions and high demand. With a 5-year annualized return of 24.5%, ranking it in the top tier among its peers, FSPTX has consistently demonstrated its ability to outperform. Climbing up the ranks, we have the Fidelity Growth Discovery Fund, FDSVX, giving a remarkable year-to-date 16.89% return. Ranked as a strong buy with a Zacks Mutual Fund rank of 1, this fund is a force to be reckoned with, thanks to its impressive performance across various factors. Based on its year-to-date return, a $10,000 investment at the start of the year would now be worth $11,689, a tidy $1,689 profit in just 1 year. Scale that up to a $50,000 investment, and we're talking about a $8,445 gain, while a $100,000 investment would yield a staggering $16,890 profit. FDSVX's portfolio is heavily weighted towards technology, a sector that has been driving its impressive performance, with a 5-year annualized return of 19.95% and a 3-year return of 10.63%. FDSVX has consistently demonstrated its ability to outperform its peers. Approaching the summit of our list, we arrive at the Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Fund, FBGRX, which has had an outstanding year so far with a year-to-date return of 20.07%. With such impressive performance, Tom's $10,000 investment at the start of the year would now be worth $12,007. A mouth-watering $2,007 profit in just 1 year, but the potential gains don't stop there. A $50,000 investment could yield a $10,035 profit, while a $100,000 investment could result in a staggering $20,070 windfall. FBGRX's success lies in its focus on well-established blue-chip companies from the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average with market capitalizations of at least $1 billion. The fund seeks out those with the most potential for above-average growth, which explains its heavy investments in technology and retail trade sectors. With a 5-year average annual return of 22.18%, FBGRX has firmly positioned itself in the top tier among its peers, making it a compelling choice for investors seeking long-term growth. Taking the top spot on our list is the Fidelity Select Semiconductors Portfolio, FSELX, boasting an eye-popping year-to-date return of 37.11%. This star performer has been a true trailblazer, thanks to its focus on the booming semiconductor industry, driven by increased demand for AI, big data, cloud computing, and robotics. FSELX's impressive returns stem from its top picks, featuring heavy hitters like NVIDIA, NXP Semiconductors, ON Semiconductor, and Taiwan Semiconductor. But FSELX doesn't just excel in the short term. It's a strong contender with a Zacks Mutual Fund rank of 1, providing diversification within the tech sector by encompassing various industries like semiconductors, connectors, printed circuit boards, and other components. Over the past 5 years, FSLX has delivered an annualized return of a staggering 40-25%, consistently outperforming the broader market. This remarkable performance begs the question, how much could your investment have grown if you had invested in FSELX at the start of the year? Brace yourself, because the numbers are mind-boggling. If Tom had invested $10,000 at the start of the year, his investment would now be worth a whopping $13,711, a jaw-dropping $3,711 profit in just 1 year. But wait, there's more. A $50,000 investment could have yielded a staggering $18,555 profit, while a $100,000 investment could have resulted in a life-changing $37,110 windfall. While the potential for short-term gains is undoubtedly alluring, it's important to remember the power of compounding over the long term. Warren Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola, which took decades to reach its current staggering value, is a testament to the importance of patience and the magic of compounding. As we've seen, Fidelity Index funds offer the potential for impressive growth in a relatively short span, but true wealth creation often requires a long-term perspective and a commitment to riding out market fluctuations. What's your favorite Fidelity Index fund? Comment below. You may also wish to check out my other video on the 6 best Vanguard ETF to buy and to hold forever in the link above and in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about the 6 best Fidelity Index funds to buy and hold forever. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos for creating wealth, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.